Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some fried chicken. This is such an easy recipe. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, starting off, I have 4 pounds of chicken drumsticks here. You can use any type of chicken you like, whether it's drumsticks or thighs or whatever. But I have my chicken, I have washed it thoroughly, and I also patted it dry with some paper towels just to get rid of the excess water, and then now I'm just gonna season it with my seasonings. All these seasonings I added about a teaspoon each, except for the salt. With the salt I added about half a teaspoon, excuse me. But definitely season this to your taste. Everybody likes their chicken differently, but you do not have to use all these spices that I'm using. I like my chicken to have a little kick, you know what I'm saying? But you don't really have to. You could really season your chicken with just black pepper and salt and you will be great. Like, you will be good to go. But after I've seasoned my chicken, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it in some cling film, excuse me guys, I don't know where my mind is today, but I wrapped it in some cling film, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge to marinate for about an hour. Then afterwards I just got my pot ready to fry. I haven't turned the stove on yet. I just put the oil in the pot, and yes, I'm using a wok to fry chicken. Don't judge me. A pot is a pot. We're gonna use that anywho. But I put that on the stove, and I'm using canola oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. And I filled this up about 2/4 of the way. Some people don't like too much oil, but I like to deep fry my chicken, honey. So we're gonna put oil in the pot. Okay, moving on. We're gonna start with our flour that we're gonna dredge the chicken in. I'm using all-purpose flour. And in my plate here, I'm going to add, that's about 2 cups of flour. And then I'm going to add in my seasonings. I'm just adding all the seasonings that I used before. Nothing different really. But like I said, you don't have to use all these seasonings. I just like to be extra. You could literally season your flour with just black pepper and some salt, and you will be great. Alright, so once I'm done adding all my seasonings, what I'm going to do is just mix everything together very thoroughly to make sure that it is nicely combined. After that, I'm going to crack my eggs. I'm using 2 large eggs here, and I'm just going to crack these open, and then I'm going to beat them until it's nicely combined. I'm sorry, this is a mess, but I'm trying to film and do it at the same time. It's difficult. But anywho, I cracked them open, and I'm going to beat it until the egg yolk and the egg white is nicely combined. Once that was done, I brought out my chicken from the fridge. But before I dredged it and everything, I did bring it out about like 30 minutes before so that the chicken can come down to room temperature, because nobody wants to fry cold chicken. It'll take way too long to cook. But anywho, after that, I am now going to start dredging my chicken in my egg and in my flour. I am coating my eggs. Oh my goodness, guys. I am coating my chicken in the egg mixture. And then I'm going to literally pack the flour on, because I like my chicken to have a nice crust, honey. So we're going to pack this flour on, and we're going to do this twice to each piece. And then once we're done, we're going to keep it to the side and move on until all our pieces are done. once I was through with all my pieces, I did heat up the oil. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to tell y'all steps. But before I started dredging the chicken and the egg and the flour, I did turn my stove on so the oil can be heating up. I heated it on medium. I put it like at a 7. But anyways, when I can't talk. Oh, child. Once I was done with the chicken, I just went ahead and dropped it in, and I just let it fry for about 20 minutes. Usually drumsticks take like 10 to 15 minutes, but I put the extra minutes on there because nobody wants raw chicken, honey. So once, like, this is about 10 minutes. I'm sorry, guys. I'm all over the place. But 10 minutes in, I flipped it to the other side. And once the full 20 minutes was up, I went ahead and removed the chicken. I did insert a fork in it just to make sure that, it was thoroughly cooked. And once I removed it, I just placed it on a plate that had some paper towels so that the extra oil can drip off. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep frying until I'm done frying all my pieces of chicken, and I'm gonna take it out and put it on. Look at that piece of chicken. Oh my goodness. Ooh, child, this video is making me hungry. But I just kept frying until it was done, and that's about it. And voila, we have fried chicken, and it was really good. And don't judge me. Yes, I'm eating chicken and ketchup. Do it how you do it, okay? But I like chicken and ketchup, so I'm gonna do chicken and ketchup. But that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one.